Maghuhubad na ako. The fear of aging and getting old really gets you thinking about your mortality and your health. Ang hinahanap ko sa buhay, quality of life. Pag tinitignan mo yung holistic mo na growth, hindi lang siya natatali sa exercise, diet, looking good. One, you look at your body kasi ito talaga yung vessel where you connect to this world. Number two, mind, no? Taking care of our mind, that we are able to sleep and live peacefully, peace of mind, no? Thirdly, of course, is my spiritual connection to my Creator. And social connections, of course, no man is an island. I try to build friendships, connections, not only with the people around me, pero to all of you, di ba, sa social media. Pero alam naman natin na time is limited, so we have to become very efficient. Kaya now, naglalaan ako ng oras para sa aking sarili. Sabi kasi ng marami, kasi tumatanda na ako, I have to take care of myself, di ba? So ngayon, pupunta ako ng derma for the first time in so long. Tingnan natin kung may pag-asa pa yung beauty natin. Let's go. Yan, bye. Ako magdadrive, wala akong driver. I hate it. I don't like driving. One thing I don't like doing is driving, but unfortunately, yung dalawang driver natin absent. May sakit daw. So, well, I have no choice because I have a doctor's appointment today. Isipin ko na lang na exercise. Di ba? Ang layo! Hello! Hello! Ito, fresh pa rin, pero magiging mas fresh pa. Charot. Di ba? Hello! Yan. Oo. So, papaganda. Yan. Ano ba yung gagawin natin?
Hello everyone, I'm Celeste Castro. I'm the branch manager of BioEssence West. First, of course, kasi inassess natin si Chef na medyo talagang nasa obese casto na talaga si Chef. So what we are going to do is, first, we have to detoxify muna. Ang ginagawa natin sa kanyang treatment is yung liposome, which is yung nilalagyan siya ng steaming cream and then binabalot siya, saka siya inuupo sa sauna. In that way, mas madali niya malalabas yung toxins. Vibratrim naman is yung vibratory mechanical massage. So, ginagawa niya is yung binibreak niya yung fats ni Chef para mas madali natin siyang mapalabas sa katawan niya. After nun, pag na-achieve na natin, malambot na, nagsasag na yung skin ni Chef, our next step is yung mag-firm naman tayo. With regards sa face ni Chef, ang gagawin natin sa kanya is yung dermapen or yung microneedling. Susugatan yung skin ni Chef para mag-renew, magkaroon ng bagong skin. Dermapen treatment is very effective as long as si Chef is magiging consistent once a month. Kasi ito talaga yung makakatulong para mag-renew yung skin niya.
It's our third consecutive day dito sa BioEssence. Grabing tiyaga, di ba? Pero ito kasi, yung ginagawa nila, pinapalambot daw nila yung taba. So, there's the trap and the sauna and all that para lang na mas lumambot yung taba. So, pag diet natin and exercise, mas mabilis matunaw yung ating fats para maging sexy tayo. Tingnan natin if it works, di ba? Ito, treatment, come on. Napa-schedule ako ng kuan, di ba katapos sa facial, yung dermapen or something, needle, ha?
Kailan?
Yung dapat kasi anong araw na wala kong shoot, so dapat it happens on a Saturday. Sabi kasi nila, pag mag-kuan, hindi pwede mag-steam. Maghuhubad na ako. Sessions keto na medyo mag-improve yung...
Ano to, maganda to talagang bababoy. Siguro mga once a month lang to eh.
Oo.
Mga 10.
10 months.
Di ano na,
Oo, isang taon. isang taon gaganda
Pero
tayo.
don't worry kasi ano lang,
Once a month lang.
Basta masipag ka
Oo,
ano yan, as in
mag-improve. Yun, sige. So, yung worry ko, nagsushoot kami, parang bugbog yung mukha.
Oo.
Sobrang tagal
Actually,
mawala.
mas maganda. Kunyari, nag-ano ka ngayon, chef, nag-thermopet ka.
Oh.
After 2 weeks, mag-facial ka para
Ah,
umaangat.
Pagpuntan, I am Marie Antoinette. Pili po kayo ng siopaw, siomay. 20 minutes. Pa-facial tayo para pwede I feel fresh and rejuvenated. O, di ba? Konting effort lang. O, di ba? Sila yung nag-effort. Pero, yun. Immediately, may parang feeling ko, effort. Actually, lumambot na yung chan ko. Yun talaga yung problema. And I feel very fresh, very light, rejuvenated, happy, and parang, di ba, feel good. No, parang it really feels good, no? Diba? Yan, o. Bio-essence. O, di ba? Bongga. One predicament of a person who works in the food industry, you have to eat even if you don't want to eat, but gusto mo ng pagbabago, kailangan din magbago yung attitude and your habits. So this is quinoa, carb alternative that's a bit more healthier than rice. Kasi I still want to have my carbs. And piece of grilled salmon, simply grilled, salt, pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and my salad. I usually start my meal with vegetables. So, bago pa ako kumain ng anything else, ito just a light dressing. Kasi ayaw ko naman na walang lasa. So this is really a journey, no? It's been a long time coming, pero like in anything in life, without discipline, without commitment, walang mangyayari. Tara, baka healthy na tayo.